Hello, folks. What if I told you that the way you have been looking at the market is completely wrong? That the secret to profitable trading isn't in indicators or news, but it's in hidden patterns of the market itself. Today, we have Marko, a professional trader who went through the Simple Fractals mentorship program, and he is here today to reveal how fractal geometry changed his trading game. Welcome, Marko. How are you?
Hello, I'm fine. You?
I'm doing great, thank you so much. So, stay till the end because Mark will share his biggest moments with fractal geometry, the one strategy that made the difference in his trading results. So, before we dive into the mentorship experience, let's start with where you were before joining Simple Fractals. What was your trading like before?
I was trading the SMC strategy, smart trading concepts, smart money concepts, sorry, but
Yes.
I wasn't very profitable. Sometimes it was going good, sometimes not so, but still I can say I was not really profitable. And
Okay.
that was my decision to join Simple Fractals. I see
Yeah.
it on YouTube. I was searching something like this because I hear from someone about fractal geometry, and so I decided to join Simple Fractals.
And when it comes to fractal geometry, when you hear about fractal geometry, what was the one thing that made you realize that fractal geometry is the missing part?
I don't know. I see the YouTube short and videos and starting to realize it's something very interesting because when you find your right fractal, you can predict the future. So you can
Okay,
take very good trades, yes.
okay. So when you joined the mentorship, walk us through the experience. What was the difference from other trading courses?
Mm. The difference was Aziz always helped me when I asked some questions. They always replied to me, or when I sent him some charts, they reviewed his charts and send
Yes.
me back what's wrong, what's correct, and that helps me a lot.
Okay, very nice. So I know many people now are watching and maybe skeptical. Does this really work? So let's try to get real. What were your actual results? Okay, because lately we have shared your trades profits on the on the public and the private channel. You are making good amounts. You have good trades, and one of the trades it was this one. I remember that you have made almost $30,000 on this one. It was the short position from this level. So can you
Yes.
explain for us the process, how you come up with this trade idea right here?
Of course, before I start, I try to create my fractal. So I see this small movement like here,
Yes,
and then realize that maybe this can be a bigger one, like
very
a mother
nice.
wave. So I was searching in this area for a Y model, a fractal,
Okay.
and it
So
was
so your first confirmation right here was using a TCW model, right?
right, yes.
And then you look for another model using multi-time frame analysis to find the right entry point. Okay, so how you proceed with this?
Sorry, what?
So after you realize that you have a TCW model right here and you will have a short position to
Yeah.
break the mother wave, why you go and you try to find another fractal right here?
I try to find another fractal at the bottom because I see it's also a possible Y model.
Okay, very nice.
That's why I take my short position from here. I cut this fractal right here,
Very nice. A Y model.
Y model, and that's why I entered my position
And
right
right here
here.
you have higher high, the same thing right
Yeah,
here, higher
the
high.
same
Very
thing.
nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
So maybe now some people are wondering how long did it take for you to see these changes, to see the fractals in a clear way on the markets?
I think Oh, I started the mentorship at 26th of November,
Yes.
and now I'm getting better. I think like 2 months, something. So yes, I think 2 months. But I also need to say I was really every day 6 hours on a chart. I was rewatching all the videos from VIP section, from our
Yes.
uh, VIP group, and yeah, so I get more and more confident. It's not just a strategy. You become the knowledge. You need really to put hard work in to see these patterns better and these fractals. You need to train your ace.
Yes.
Um, yeah, I had really struggle moments in the moment. I was thinking I can't never find these fractals. It was really hard
Yeah.
when you come first time to the chart and searching for fractals. But without this help and with the mentorship, I see them now very good.
Yeah, I remember your message that time on the VIP group when you said, "I'm reading right now. I have been scammed by fake guru before. The problem with them is that they stop responding to your question and messages. You pay for the mentorship, get some generic YouTube content, and that's it. However, this is not the case with simple fractals. We have always answered every single one of our questions and consistently tries to help. This alone shows that he's not a scam. Otherwise, he would just take the money and never respond again. That's what a scam is. So something else that you sent before, and I think it's valuable advice for everyone, because some people try just to take as thinking that they will get the holy grail in just 1 week, $10,000 in every trade and all this way. But you have a good message right here. You said, I understand why he thinks he was scammed. It's actually quite understandable. If you believe that you can trade profitably right after a mentorship, you are mistaken. You might jump from one strategy to another and none of them will work. Everything would feel like a scam, but if you immerse yourself in the subject day by day, you will start to understand it. It takes a lot of experience and patience. So for me, no mentorship makes more sense than this one. So of course, and this is a good advice and good idea because not just the mentorship or what you will get will make you profitable. You will get the methodology, you will get the how to become consistent, but the way how you will apply it, it will differ from someone to another one. Okay. If you are not patient, if you think that you will get the holy grail in just 1 week and start making money, you are on the wrong place.
Yeah, that's true. You
So
really need
now,
to
yeah,
really need
yes,
to put in hard work and go to charts every day, back testing, and try to find the fractals for train your brain that you see um, when you come right now to the chart that you see the fractals. Yeah, that's my
yeah.
advice.
So now let's get in the good stuff. If you had to share one powerful insight from the mentorship that completely transformed your trading, what would it be?
It will be the one-on-one mentorships. That's so helpful when I can ask these questions. Uh, I think we had 6 sessions, and every time I had more questions, and you explain. And what's also really good is the weekly meetings that we have.
Yes.
There you share also experience and trades, and yeah, that's very informative for me
Yeah.
also.
And what is the one concept that you find on the mentorship? For example, the models, the self-similarity, the scale. What is the most important and attractive concept for you?
The most attractive concept for me is Y model or trend child wave model. Uh, they are very good, and you can look for confirmations. Then you will be sure that the trade will go in the right way. So,
Yes.
yeah. But I'll
And
also need to say I'm right now good in Y model and L model, but I have some struggles in rescaled fractals.
It's very hard part. Yeah, it takes a
Yeah,
lot of time to master this one.
of
Uh,
course.
yeah, especially
But yeah,
especially when the market is moving in a range, in a ranging or a sideways movement, it's a little bit hard to find the scaled fractal. But with time, it will be very nice.
yeah, there I need to put more work in to see this
Yeah.
better. Yeah, but
Yes.
also trend child wave is also easy to understand for me. It's a very nice one. And
Especially if you
yeah,
are connected with the Y model, it will be a good
yes,
confirmation. And
yes,
this is the A++ setup for fractal geometry.
yeah, yeah.
So if you want to give one advice to the students who take the mentorship or the students who are willing or thinking to take the mentorship, what would be? Because I remember that you sent me one time a file. It was like a book when you summarize everything, all the rules and all the stuff. So at this moment, I know that you are serious about this. You are learning, you are trying to learn this process in a serious way. So what is your advice for anyone who is in the way trying to learn fractal geometry, try to understand this concept?
I would say what I do, I can share my experience. So when I start with this, uh, I watch first all the videos and then I stick to the chart. First, I try to find what we learned in the mentorship, the first model, the L model. Um, so I was going about for 100 examples just on the
Yes.
chart to find, to rescale, to find these fractals, to train my A's. And then I stick to the Y model because sometimes they are connected very good. Um, so I train 100 examples of Y model, and I was also searching for trend-child wave models. Really, I did a lot of work.
Yes.
Um, I create a PDF for me, so it was easier to look at the rules, to take a look for the rules for the model. So yes, and every day I'm really every day on the chart,
Yeah,
trying to give my best
yeah.
and find the fractals. So
This
yeah.
is what separates winning traders from those who struggle for years. They think that there is a magic thing that will happen, but you should put in work. You should analyze every day, 5 hours, 6 hours without stop, backtest, journal, see what works for you, what doesn't work for you. This is really amazing. I hope you all success in your journey, and I hope you will understand the scaled range analysis also. Uh, so that's it. Thank you so much for being here today.
Yeah.
See you next time. Of course, for everyone who is interested to get the mentorship program, you can find all the links on the description. Thank you so much.
Thank you.